Annyeong guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Iman. Since you clicked this video, you are interested to learn how to draw easily and step by step. Yeah, you are in the right place. So don't forget subscribe and like, and let's go. So guys, tell me in comments what you want me to do for next tutorial. Okay, so yeah, let's go to our studio. To learn how to draw, it's not that difficult. If you have patience and the desire, you will learn anything you want. Many people ask me, Iman, how I learn drawing, Iman, from where I start to learn. The key to learn anything is practice. Practice in home, practice in school, in cars, bus, everywhere. And day by day, you will start to see the world with artist eyes. Just don't stop in the first period that you learn in. Because when you start learn something, your mind and your hand need to understand what you are gonna to do. So guys, keep trying and always practice and you will get what you want in the end.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
we are in the end of the video. I wish this tutorial was helpful. See you next video. Bye bye.